Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll be talking about the CCS combo, and this is the adapter from Tesla. Recently they just lowered the price to $175. So if you do a lot of traveling and if you need to charge your Tesla and there's no Tesla supercharger in the area, you can use this adapter and to use it with third parties companies such as Electrify America. Here, this is a website. So depending where you travel to, you can input the zip code, and then it would populate it, and then you just use that adapter with this to make it work. And they currently they have like 3,479 fast charger, level 2 116. They have 800 stations and 112 coming soon. Or you can use it probably with charge point as well. Okay, so with Tesla, they have been raising their prices here and there, 500, 1,000, but out there also lower the price on the standard range on the Model 3, like $500. But on the other ones, like the Model Y, the performance, I think they started to increase the prices because now that they the tax credit has reached 80,000, so I'm pretty sure eventually they're going to increase the price more and more. I just don't know how much or don't know when yet. So, but if you're in the market for a Tesla, I think this is a good time to buy it. And this is what it looks like. This is from the third party. You stick it in with the adapter, and it's going to charge your Tesla. So, $75 off. I think that's a huge discount. So I don't know how long they're gonna have this promotion for, but if you do a lot of traveling, you might as well grab this and put it in the back of your vehicle, and when you never know when you might need it. All right, so thank you very much for watching. I just want to make a quick video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you love the video, please subscribe for more contents about Tesla and other discounted retails, promotions, so and so. Thank you very much. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.